Hey Sam, so this is your website. Looks like you got a lot of pictures on here, but you don't have a lot of content in the form of words. You only got 411 words on your homepage. So you'd probably want to add more content there. You want to beat your competitor. I'll show you what your competitor has for content on his page. With these images, I don't know what. I can't right click on it. Let's see. Let me find an image I can right click on. There we go. Save image as. You don't want this. You want it to be saved as a keyword. So like flooring contractor, Toronto, Ontario, or whatever keyword you're trying to rank for on Google. Go on to Google, type in floor contractor, Toronto. First, there would be ads up here if there's any. I'm sure there are. It's just not loading for some reason. Then you got the GMB, and then you got organic ranking. Taking this competitor, looking at his website, and I just clicked on something. And I don't know what's going on with the page. There it is. Looking at his website, he's got more content on it. He's got 1,300 words, so you'd probably want to go. You get 2,000 words or something to beat him. Let's see what his images are saved as. Save image as. Yep, that's not saved right, so he's not taking advantage of that because Google, when it looks through your page, it yeah, he doesn't do it there either. It doesn't, it can't see the image or what's on it, but it can see what it's saved as. So that's, if you save it as a keyword, Google sees that keyword and it adds it as a keyword for you. A cool tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Putting in here, you don't have any backlinks or referring domains or organic keywords. But let's put in a competitor. He's got 1,990 backlinks, 316 referring domains, and he was ranking for 7,100 keywords. He's got a UR of 35, a DR of 13. This is all looking pretty good. He gets 3,900 organic traffic to his website a month. But we can come in here and we can see what keywords he's got. Sorry, not keywords. We can see what backlinks he's got, and we can copycat them. We can grab the exact same ones he's got. We can figure out how to get them. We want to make sure we get ones that are relevant to your industry. We don't want to go get ones that would not be relevant. Like we want to get surfing and having some surfing website link back to you. You'd want to get something that's relevant to the flooring industry, as well as you get other flooring companies or web pages. We also want to get high DR and high UR score websites, and then there's also something, pay attention if it's no follow or do follow. We can come in here and we can look for stuff that we like. Let's say we like this one. We could go click on this, see if we like the page it's on. It looks to be, I can't tell if this is a blog post or a guest post or if it's what exactly it is, but somewhere in here, I guess it looks like a magazine or so. So this would be like a news article. Somewhere in here, he is got a backlink, so he might be a sponsor, and so every page he's on, they might link to him with one of these. Let's see what that takes us to. That takes us here, but somewhere in there, he's got a backlink, and so we could contact them and ask them how we can get a backlink. See if they want to write a story on you or your website. You can other ways you can get them. I mean, we don't have to just stop at this competitor. We can go grab other competitors and grab the good backlinks from them and get all the good ones. Other ways you can get backlinks, you can go blog post, guest post, blog commenting, news articles like the one I showed you, or sponsors. You pay to have people link back to you. We can check out what this guy's keywords are, what he's ranking for. Laminate flooring and bathroom. Yeah, that's not location specific, so we don't really want those. I'm just going to type in Toronto here because he's got so many. Toronto. No, I'm not. Let me see how do you spell Toronto? Toronto. Oh, so I did spell it. I don't know if I spelled it right or not. But let's see. So you see hardwood flooring Toronto, 80 volume, 51 KD, so that's going to be a really difficult one to rank for. So is this 49 one? But cork flooring Toronto, 20 volume, 1 KD. So if you do cork flooring, you can grab this one, toss it in there. About 20 people search that a month, and you can easily get ranked on there. Let's see. Let's go for some. Let's see. Hardwood flooring installation Toronto, 16. That's a. It's only 10 volume though, so you might not want to even mess with that one anyways. Let's see. You go after these bigger KD scores, but you're gonna see a lot more results way faster with these lower KD one. Outdoor floors Toronto, that's decent. Another cork flooring one. But yeah, and then you don't have to. You could check surrounding areas. I don't really know the surrounding areas around there, but we can see what he's. We can go through all his keywords and find the ones that he's ranking for in the surrounding areas. He must have. He's got so many different things he's ranking for. But yeah, so you just go in here and you try to find keywords and do research, trying to see which keywords you want to put on your website and you want to rank for that have good volume and lower KD scores to them. I'm actually going to click this and see if this might help. Obviously, the biggest traffic ones are going to be nationwide keywords, but let's see if anything sticks out. Let's go page 4. Let's go 6. Yeah, we can just come in here and see the good keywords, and there's other ways we can look for keywords. We can go check out other competitors. This guy was just the first one that popped up, so he probably is ranking for a lot of keywords. I'm gonna pause and look for a good one. Just find 150 volume, 0 KD hardwood flooring in Richmond Hill. This is just looking at flooring, so there could be other renovations that you might or improvements that you might do. Let's see what you have listed on your website. It looks like you just deal with flooring, but there's a tile in there as well. But we can go in here and keep looking around. This is just one I was able to find recently. I think Richmond Hill is a city close by to Toronto. I could be mistaken. I don't know the area too well, but I believe that is the case. The next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. Make sure you fill it out 100%. Don't skip steps. And then make sure you add as many photos as you can. Photos is what's the content. Make sure you save the photos with keywords as well. And then citations is the next thing. This guy only has 6 citations, so you can easily beat that. Citations are just directories, like Bing, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, YouTube. They can all give you ones. You want to make sure when you're filling them out that you have the name on your GMB as the same as the name with the directories, as well as the phone number and the location. And then you can start ranking for your GMB. Hope that helps. If you want, we can talk more, either with the Facebook call or video chat. If not, that's okay. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and thanks for watching.